If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications. How's it going on, guys? In this video I'm just going to teach you how I make my thumbnails. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Safari. Once you've got Safari open, you want to search up Fortnite skins PNG. Make sure the file is a PNG, otherwise this is going to be very difficult for you. You just want to download any skin you like. I've already got a skin downloaded, so I'm just going to stick with that skin. Once you've done that, you want to search up Fortnite background. And then you just want to choose any background. I already have a background saved, so I'm just going to use that one, but this is a good one. That one is the one I'm currently using, I think. But yeah, there's a lot of good backgrounds. Just once you've saved them, you want to open up an app called PixArt. Free to download in the App Store and the Android Google Play Store. Once it's done, you want to press the purple plus at the bottom of the screen. Then you want to select the image. This is going to press for me, thank you. You want to select your image. I'm going to use this as my background. This is the first photo I came across. And you want to, I feel like blur looks the best, but you can make the effect whatever you like. I'm going to chuck on blur. And I'm going to change the blur because that's a little too much blur for me. I'm going to put it down to 8 and I'm going to change this to 4. Hit apply. You can muck around with all the settings and stuff. There's a lot to do here. I'm going to press add photo next, and then I want to go down to the Fortnite skin that I'm using, which is this one. Add. Then I'm going to like zoom out a little bit, zoom in, and I'm going to put that on the side of the screen just like that. I feel like that's a pretty good angle for it. That's pretty good. Just like that. And then I'm going to add a border to it because borders always look good. Change the size down a little bit to 10. 10 looks pretty nice. You can like zoom in more. I feel like it looks better when there's a lot showing of the character. Alright, once you've done that, you just want to hit apply and then you want to go to next. Then save to your photos. Once it saves to your photos, you just want to open up Fonto. And you want to go to photo albums at the bottom. Open up that image. I like to change this to Chrome. Chrome looks good, so I'm going to just change that to Chrome. Then I'm going to add some text. Now, I have a custom like branding logo. I just put that at the bottom of every video just in case someone decides to snake my thumbnail. So I'm just going to put that there first, and for the sake of this video I'm just going to make the words on the thumbnail Fortnite and I'm going to change the font to Evergreen. Actually, I don't know if I like Evergreen. So, if you want a video on how to change fonts, I'll also tell you that. Evergreen italic, I feel like it looks better. Yeah, just like that. I'm going to increase the size and put it in the middle of the screen. And you can muck around with the style. I'm just going to make it white with some shadow. Just like that. And I'm also going to add a black stroke. Just like that. That's about it, guys. It's very simple. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That's just a simple thumbnail tutorial. Like I said, it doesn't have to be Fortnite. If you play Overwatch, you can have an Overwatch character on the left with an Overwatch background. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to know how to make a channel emblem or profile picture, I also have a video on that, link will be down in the description, and channel art if you're interested, I also have a video on that. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.